What's up, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. We're about an hour from Charleston. The day has finally come for me to part ways with one of the most beloved things that I've had for the longest amount of time. No, I'm not getting rid of Meredith. After roughly 9-10 years of having the excursion, we have decided, or Meredith, no, I'm just kidding, she didn't decide.
No, don't say that.
We have decided that we're selling Bruno. So I couldn't stand to have Bruno around town just driving around and me seeing it on a daily basis. And actually on our 3-hour drive to Charleston, I've kind of been tempted just to turn back around because I truly have loved this vehicle. But so we decided that we're going to put it in the Charleston auto auction. A buddy of mine's a dealer, so he's making that happen for us. So tomorrow being Friday, it runs to the sale and we say goodbye to our beloved Bruno the Excursion. We'll roll some clips of some stuff that's Bruno's pulled. He's towed all kinds of stuff. He's taken us on several trips around the East Coast. So yeah, we're almost there and we'll say our farewells when we get there. And of course, Meredith had to follow me down on the Raptor. So we put this thing on our aluminum car trailer and I was going to pull Rex with Bruno down to Charleston. But about 2 inches on each side hung off the trailer just because these things are so wide. So we decided just to caravan down here. But yeah, we're gonna get back on the road and get this girl some food. You'll have to check this out. Girl, get up in there in that seat. She is chewing on the steering wheel as we drive down to Charleston. You're kidding, right? No, she is not playing. Why I've always loved this truck. $25 miles to the gallon. Yep, good old road trip with a 25 mile to a gallon, like 9,000 pound SUV. Nothing to complain about there. Rex, you ain't staying here. Sorry, bud. Well, it's starting to get a little bittersweet. Can we just drive back home? How mad would you be if I was like, you know what, babe, let's just go back home? Alright guys, so we've made it to the Charleston auto auction here in Charleston, South Carolina. And it's kind of hitting me and getting real that it's not sold yet, but Bruno is officially, like, this is him being on the chopping block. So we're gonna get the last few things. What? The chopping block, that's what it's called.
He's gonna get murdered or something.
Yeah, I feel like we're murdering him. Meredith says he needs a new set of parents. I hope he does get a good set of parents. I hope the next person loves this vehicle as much as I have loved it. It's been an awesome vehicle. I could probably talk about it all day. But anyways, we're going to wrap it up. We're going to get the last of our belongings, or my belongings, out of Bruno here. And then we're going to pull it over to the registration, get it registered under the dealer that's running it for us. My number one thing out of all this is that I hope it doesn't end up back in Spartanburg, because I'd be crushed. But yeah, I think I am going to leave like a little note somewhere just to say to the next owner, like, hey, what's up? I'm Bruno. nice to meet you. Take care of me. And if you find this video and you bought Bruno, take care of Bruno. Or I'll just buy him back. Or I'll steal him back. Alright, but bigger and better things is what Meredith keeps saying.
Hey, excuse me, there's no retail customers down here allowed.
Oh, yeah, we're about to leave. Oh, this is so, like, bittersweet. Not really sweet yet, but it's bitter. Who needs a screwdriver when you got a quarter? They gonna hang this license plate up in the shop, because it's been on this. It was on that a 240 that I had. What was it on before that? Oh, it was on my X5 when I was in college. It has lived its life. Man. Well, that's officially it. We're about to pull the truck over into the other lot and hopefully say goodbye to Bruno for the last time. Actually, a local guy from Spartanburg's here, and he was telling me he feels good about the truck. He looked it over, and I mean, he knows I've always taken care of my stuff for the most part. I'm not as good as my camera girl there, but anyways, guys. Yep. Hello, new family. This is kind of sad. A little love letter to go to the future owners of Bruno. Remind me not to keep anything for long anymore.
Okay.
I guess except you.
Okay.
Alright, well, I'm gonna go hide this away and pull it on over to the thing. Hey babe, do you have the title? I really hope whoever gets it finds that.
Where'd you put it?
In here under the thing.
Put it in the glove compartment. They gotta look in there.
But what if they what if someone that's looking at it at the auction? Alright, well, last official startup. Sitting there to get checked in. Alright guys, that's all we have. We'll check in on the auction tomorrow and see how it goes, but Bruno's little brother Rex is gonna have to fill all of, not gonna have to, Bruno's brother Rex absolutely is having to fill all of Bruno's shoes. So, alright, let's get back to Spartanburg. Meredith's trying to make it up to me by taking me to get pizza. This is the feel good right here, guys. We lose a child, aka Bruno, but we get pizza.
Child.
I'm not okay. So we're leaving Charleston now, and we're leaving empty-handed without Bruno. It's actually very bittersweet. So Y'all stick around. In the morning we're gonna find out what this truck brings, and we'll tell y'all a little bit about what's to come.